Hey guys, I'm Nick from PBTech, and I've been using the Mate 30 Pro for the last month, so let's take a look at what makes this phone the one to beat. Huawei's Mate series smartphones are big in more ways than one. Big screen, big battery, and a big multimedia experience. They've been loved by business and power users for years now, and it's easy to see why. With enough power and performance to keep you going all day and then some, and a big screen so you can get what you need done, it's easy to see why they're loved so much. This year's entry, the Mate 30 Pro, brings several unique features, including the first to market incredible 88-degree curved Huawei Horizon display. Unlike most phones, the curve goes all the way to the edge, almost to a complete right angle, and you can really see everything just drop away. It's like just screen held in the palm of your hand. This has meant that they've actually done away with the volume buttons. There isn't any on the edges of the phone, so you activate the volume controls by double tapping on either side. The edge detection is really good, and aside from not being able to activate that in your pocket, then really they work just like normal volume keys. Huawei have expanded the real 3D face unlock, which works in the dark, unlike traditional camera-based face unlock, that was originally found on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and this time they've added gestures as well. Again, because there's no volume keys, you can take a screenshot by just making a fist at the phone's front camera, and you can also use that to scroll up and down hands-free, which is great if you're wirelessly charging the phone in the car. There's three critical areas in a smartphone: the screen, the camera, and the battery life. Of course, the screen is one of the main events here, but so is the camera. Building on the incredible 40-megapixel Leica camera that was found in the P30 Pro, which is one of the best camera phones of 2019, the Mate 30 Pro expands on this by adding in a 40-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. This is actually a native 16:9 sensor, making it perfect for taking videos in ultra-wide angle. When you take an ultra-wide angle video, then you end up being able to capture more in the scene, which is much closer to what you'd see with the human eye. This way, if you're taking videos in 4K 60fps, for example, and you want to keep those videos so you can relive your memories for years to come, filming in wide angle is absolutely the way to go. With the extra enhanced night mode that's debuted on the Mate 30 Pro, combined with the formerly excellent performance of the P30 Pro and the main sensor, and a great 3x telephoto, then the camera experience on the Mate 30 Pro is really versatile and quite hard to beat. Another great feature of the Mate 30 Pro is that the sensor array built into the top will actually detect the orientation of your face and use that to enable or disable auto-rotate. So if you're looking at a photo on screen and you want to flip it into landscape, it will check to make sure that your face is actually in the right orientation. So no more lying on the couch and having everything flip around on you. The 4500 mAh battery found in the Mate 30 Pro is truly exceptional. The P30 Pro really set the bar for battery performance this year, and the Mate 30 Pro takes that to the next level. I've personally experienced up to 14 hours of screen on time across 2 days, which is really excellent for any smartphone. The 40-watt supercharge that came through last year with the Mate 20 Pro continues here in the Mate 30 Pro, and the improvements this time are on the inside. It charges even faster than ever before, and Huawei have this year introduced 27-watt wireless charging as well. Here in New Zealand, this is available in the form of a wireless car charger. This is a really special product that actually has sensors and automatic grip, so when you place your phone within range, the car mount will pop open and grab your phone, so you can just place it there without having to fiddle about with clips like you might normally do with traditional car mounts. Once it's mounted, the phone will charge at 27 watts, so whether you're charging wired or wirelessly, Huawei always keeps you going. Huawei's Mate series are traditionally the debut of a new chip from HiSilicon, Huawei's chipset team, and this year they've brought the new Kirin 990 processor. There's significant improvements year on year in efficiency versus the Kirin 980 that was found in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the P30 series. The 980 was an excellent chip and one of the first to market at the 7nm process, and that brought incredible improvements in power efficiency over older processors. This year, Huawei say that the Mate 30 series has more power than you need, future-proofing you for the years to come. So if you buy it now, and stick with this phone for the next couple of years, Huawei's Born Fast, Stay Fast technology, which keeps the phone running fast throughout its lifespan, will make sure that you get the best bang for buck. The haptic feedback has also been improved dramatically this year over the haptic feedback found in the P30 and Mate 20 series, and this time you'll get a really nice click response on a variety of interactions throughout the operating system. Plus you'll never miss a phone call in your pocket. One of the standout features of the camera this year is the incredible slow motion. It can actually perform interpolated at up to 7,680 frames per second. This will pretty much freeze anything to a standstill. And it looks incredible when you really catch the right moment. The Mate 30 Pro comes equipped with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, ensuring that you have what you need to keep going for the next few years. As you'll most likely know, the Huawei Mate 30 series comes preloaded with Huawei mobile services instead of Google mobile services, and this means that you might need to do a bit of DIY to get it set up like your previous smartphone was. Maybe this is for you, and maybe it's not, but either way, we'd recommend you pop into your nearest PBTech store to go hands-on with this incredible device and to chat with our expert team to find out whether this is your next smartphone. The Mate 30 Pro is exclusively available at PBTech. And that's all folks. I'm Nick from PBTech, and we'll catch you later.